Hi guys, welcome to my channel, QueenofUnicorns. Like, subscribe, and read me. Today, we're opening my presents that Santa gave me. So let's get started. Surprise by MGA. Look on, and this is washable paint. It has, I don't know what's in there on top of it. So here we go, like red, yellow, green, blue, purple. And there's a right here. And this is the paper. I got 3 packs of these, so don't worry, I have much. I'll be opening these at the end of the video. So let's get the dollhouse, which is I had this before, but I had the big version. It's almost out of me, so here it is. Take it back. Take that. Inside. Let's get opening. I'm sorry, can't you see because I'm opening this way so I can open it. Sorry guys. So my mama opened this for me because it would take too long. But here is like the decorations for the inside house. Can you see it? Come closely. Okay, this is the house. Let me show you the look. Oh my god. Hold on. See, you should get this. Oh my god. So we have like a table. Let's open it up. I don't know why there's tape, but okay. So yeah. So we're gonna put this at the bottom. Sorry if you can't see. Sorry. But I'm decorating my own. The bed is up here. If you don't see it. What is this? So we're opening these. So we take that away. And here's all the decorations that we have for this house. Is there anything that's holding? No. Because these are parts are small. Oh my god. Look at this little boy, is messed up. Oh, yes. I love these. Can you see these? Okay. So we need to decorate their house by putting the sink. Watching TV. Good. We need to put a chair. There'll only be one chair. I'm going to eat all of these breakfasts. Can you see the chair? Wait, hold on. Let me put this. So let me put this up here. So, I at this living room. Now look. I'm finished doing it. I have to put a sink up here. Because there's nothing to put the bathroom in. So, okay. Hold on. Okay, now you look. Wait, didn't you fall? Okay, no. Okay.
So we're going to set this to the side so she can open up the next one. You forgot to put mom and dad in there, in the house.
Oh, sorry.
They got to go somewhere.
They got to stay right here. Sleep in the bed sideways.
Okay.
And he's going to pull. Swimming backwards. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Ah. It's
LOL surprise dress up dolls.
oh my god. Let's open it. This is my favorite. Oh my god. Ah! Can't believe it. Let's record. So, we have unboxed this. You subscribers, okay? So, let's do it. I don't know why there's still tape on here. So, this is the sticker. It's like removable. You can move the everything from here. Let me show you the dolls. This is Fancy from the classic Elf Prize. This is Queen Bee. Sorry they're falling off. Okay. Diva, MC Swag, and I'm not sure what this is, but I don't know.
They give you the stickers. The stickers the Joy is going to show you that you can write on.
It's like silver.
Yeah, so you can write on those on messages, things that you would like to put on there.
I'm separating this in a new video, DIY. I really want to do this one. I love big gifts.
Ooh, what is the name of that?
It's
A
Jumbo Squisho.
So this is what it looks like. It's a DIY stress toy, monster size. It said it includes everything you need. One balloon, instant snow, easy to follow instructions. So this...
Man.
It's okay.
So, this is all I have in this. The stocking. Let me show you how this big is. Like, this big. It's like
This is a bag that's been in my family for years. Actually, her grandmother's Christmas bag. It was around when I was a kid. So this bag has been in the family for over probably 30 years. So this is a special bag to the family.
Yes. Stay tuned for the floor puzzle. Mama's gonna time me 5 minutes because
We're gonna see because she's a little older, so it shouldn't take her that long to put together this big floor puzzle. It's only 46 pieces, but we're gonna see.
That's so hard.
We shall see. Stay tuned. So we are giving her 10 minutes to complete the puzzle. So let's see what she's doing. So this is how it's supposed to look when she's done. I don't know if she's going to be finished because she's still sitting there.
I'm trying to figure out.
And the clock is at 8 minutes. So
How do you do this thing?
she might need a little bit more time, you all.
Okay, got it. I got the computer.
How are you feeling?
Hard.
It's 6:29. I have 22. Let's see how far she has gotten. Okay, she's making some progress. And like she's speeding it up. She got 5 minutes. We shall return.